a girl, but I kinda need a word. Well, I'm into you, and all I know, it's been a long time. I was on the sideline waiting for you. We could go to California or anywhere you wanna. As long as I'm with you, I'm alright. And we don't need the drama, we'll find our own nirvana. So run away with me tonight, 'cause it feels.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, if this is your first time seeing this face, please ensure that you do not make it your last, okay? Okay, for proper introduction, my name is Chineye Nebe. I am an actress and a YouTuber based in Lagos State. Well, you guys know me already. I'm just doing this for formality, sha. But you know me. Anyway, I bet from the title you already know what this video is about. I am here to do another hair review, which is one of my favorite things to do because I found myself like making hair reviews. It's something that I really like to do actually. And for this hair brand, Alipearl. Alipearl was actually the first hair brand to send me a wig that I reviewed on YouTube. So getting another email from them that they would like me to review another hair was it's nice. It's a nice feeling basically. So they sent me this gorgeous package in this box of goodies, and I'm about to do like a mini unboxing. I want this video to like go very quickly. I don't want to bore you because I'm actually on my way out. So I want to do a mini unboxing for you guys to see what's inside this box. The hair. First off, we have the wig itself, which I'm going to get back to. This is the wig. We have the band. Let me show you how it comes. It's basically to help lay your edges. That's if you want to lay your hair. The hairband here. I also have two HD wig hat, two pieces of HD wig hat, which I barely wear. I don't know why, but I just like to wear my wig on my head. This also got eyelashes, cute, 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 cute eyelashes, and a two-in-one brush. This and this, comb and a brush. Then we also have the wig bag itself, just so that when you're done wearing the wig, here when you're done wearing the wig, you can just easily put it in this bag and it's safe, clean, and away from dust and the rest. So let's get to the wig itself. The wig is, you guys already know. Let me show you. The cap size, large as usual. I don't know. I wouldn't say my head is big, but I just like to be very free. I mean, I like when things are very free. I don't have headache or anything. So I always go for the large cap size. Then it's a 5x5 lace, HD lace closure wig. It's 18 inches and it is wavy. Okay, 18 inches wavy. Let's unbox. I always say I like how they always try to properly pack the hair so it's intact. Like when you bring it out of the box, it remains that way. But this is it. Comes in this net. And ooh, this is the wig itself. Like I said, it's a HD lace 5x5 closure, like you can see. This is it on my hand. All I have to do as usual is just put like a darker shade so it matches my hair. But this comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and pre-plucked. I don't have to. I always say it. I don't have to do anything. It's just for me to put it on and I can go wherever I want to go to basically. Comes with this elastic band, adjustable strap, actually. Adjustable strap, and it's also detachable. You can take it out if you want. It has like this comb features as well. This comb to keep your hair firm. And the adjustable strap, which is also detachable. So let's try this wig without me like putting on the darker shade on. Let's just try it and see what it looks like. I know some of you would say that I have wigs that are quite similar. Yes, most of them are quite similar, but the difference mostly is the length of the wig. This is the first 18 inches wig I have. Other ones are quite longer, so it's quite firm on my head. Very firm. Look, it's glueless. Very much glueless. So I need you all to see that. So this is the wig without doing anything. This was how it came. It's quite pretty. You guys, in case you see me looking here, I'm looking at the mirror. Well, it's really pretty and it's a simple wig basically. I like the length too because I don't have this hair in this short length, so I like the length. And I'll just have to take it out, darken the roots, use a hot comb and comb out the corners a little, and we're done. Okay, you guys know this method already. I don't need to say much. Just using my contour stick to darken the root. This is what we have. I don't know if you guys can see the darkened root. Can you see it, the darkened root? Can you see it? Okay, this is what we have now. And I will use my hot comb to also bring this place down a little. I'll also use my wax stick. Just for those strands that like to stand, basically. So currently this is what we're working with. This is the hair. So let me try to brush my edges. See? Like I said earlier, this wig is completely glueless. Can you guys see the difference now? See the difference in the like the lace? Well, just so you know, this is completely glueless. This is a glueless test. No spray, no glue, nothing was used here. It is a completely glueless wig. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Let me use a hot comb on it. So guys, we are done. I'll just go through with my hands. I like that loose curls look. A loose curl look, so that's what I'm going for, basically. So guys, this is the finished look. What do you think? Like I said, it is a 5x5 closure lace wig, HD lace wig, and it comes in 18 inches. Simple, beautiful, and easy to wear. And I would say this is very weather friendly because of the length. The density is also very appropriate because it's not so heavy, it's also not too light. So because of the weather, I would say this is so nice. I really love the length of this wig. Really absolutely in love with it. So Ali Pearl, thank you so much for sending me this gorgeous wig. I am in love with it already. I so much love it. And like I always say, this is glueless. I need you all to see. This is glueless. Completely glueless. Okay, so tell me, where do you think you'd wear this hair to? Where would you wear it to? To work, to church, to the mall? Where basically? Well, if you also want to get more information about this week, I'll be leaving that information in my description box. So make sure you check there. Okay, and make sure you shop this week from Alipearl. It's really super nice. Texture is amazing. Color jet black. Yeah, this is jet black. The length amazing as well. So you don't want to miss this one. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. I love you so much. Mwah.
They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down.